Been a while, everybody. Sorry, we have been very busy and a lot has happened. So this is just a sort of a little taster to get you up to speed. Mining Chops really ready for road testing. With our new, we've got a new colleague, new crew member, Toadfish, who's behind the camera. But he's suited to that bike, so he can road test that. On the other hand, I've road tested the Iron Banshee. So if anybody's been following us, you'll know this is an SV1000 fuel injected engine with our girder forks on it, which worked straight out the box as well as they could do with 1920s technology. This is just the prototype exhaust, so I could run it up the road test it. So we've got an exhaust to put on it, and then it will go on the dyno, believe it or not. But Tom's little gas monkey chop back here for a little bit of exhaust work, and believe it or not, on the dyno. So it's ready to go back to him now. He loves it. Oh yeah, these are all bits that you've probably seen getting built up. We have got a full video, well, we've got a lot of video from scratch build on this, and footage of the girder forks working and what have you, so we'll do that. Well, so the bar's a new addition since but it is a Saturday afternoon, bank holiday weekend. Some people aren't considering being at their work, but you know, what can I say? It's not the hardest place to be. The gas tracker, that's all being recommissioned, although there's a bit of issues with the cards because we're off on the May Day run on Monday. So yeah, that's still touch and go. The Vincent is fully commissioned, been road tested, and will be going up for sale. So keep an eye out for that. It's a lot of money, but then it's a lot of bike. So a 1949 Igley framed Vincent Rapide 1000. I'm sure there'll be a Vincent man out there to tell me that I've got that wrong. The gas calf racer, which is mine, that we were going to do the single-sided build on it, but we decided that what we're going to do is just put it back with its original swinging arm, and we're going to do our own frame, because it will be easier to do our own frame, and it's Triumph frame, and it's ugly as fucking sin. So we're going to do our own frame and then incorporate the one-sided swinging arm idea, keep it all the same, but this is all ready to electric to go back in. We were going to try and take it out on Monday, but Jake cocked because he didn't want to sit in traffic, not enjoying himself, which I get because he's a bit more of a racer. So anyway, yeah, our friends at SS Customs do that. That's airbrushed. Not bad, by hand. It's nuts, isn't it? So yeah, that will be going on. So that will be back on the road soon. Ken's WL replica, proper cracked on with this. We're waiting for the customer to give us ideas on where he wants to go for the final stage, but we kind of know what we're going to do. But all the teak's done, fabricated all the crash bars. Obviously we can get replica stuff, but it's our frame, and you know, it's a retro one. It's a 74 Ironhead. Yeah. So he's really happy with it. So he's coming down next week, and then we'll finalise bits and pieces. But yeah, all this has been fabricated using sort of kind of period footboards. We're playing around with the luggage thing because it's not going to be a WL like military version.